Okay, Chapter 1, the Introduction to Real Estate Business. Farming is a great way to develop a real estate business. Property management is popular because of absentee ownership. Appraisers must be state certified and follow strict USPAP guidelines to do appraisals. Remember, this is for federally related lending institutions. These are the only ones that need to be state certified. Developers turn over roads and infrastructures to government through something called dedication. Spec building is building with the hopes of selling a property and is typically built on the builder's lot. Custom building is building on the owner's lot according to the owner's plans. Developers are required to get subdivision plat maps approved before starting any project. Licensees can perform CMAs for a fee, but typically offer this as a free service as part of their services to real estate. Appraisers are paid based on the amount of work done and not a percentage of the value of the property. Local governments determine zoning laws. An appraisal is a supported, defended estimate of the value of property rights as of a given day. Remember, an appraisal is an opinion. And that's all we have for Chapter 1's review.